Oh my gosh, Alex, guess what?
What?
This summer.
This summer what?
Matter of fact,
Hurry.
8
Hurry.
more days. We gonna see
what?
We gonna
So
see
what?
Christina. We gonna neighbors. We gonna see Christina in neighbors. We gonna see you in neighbors. We gonna see you in neighbors. We gonna see you. Girl, we gonna have so much fun.
We cannot wait.
It's gonna be a party. It's a party.
It's
a
a
party.
party. It's a party.
It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Every day gonna feel like Friday night. What's up? In your house. Us two.
Every night it gonna
Every
feel like
night.
TJIF.
You feel me?
Or TG.
Excuse your sister. She can't.
Thank Jesus it's Friday.
Yeah, wow. So we're gonna give you this shout out because we know you're excited and we just know you want to feel it. So we're gonna let you feel it, and everybody on Facebook gonna know
And
that we are
excited.
to come to
Nipples, Florida.
Nipples.
He says she got no nipples! Oh yeah, and we're gonna be watching a lot of Kevin Hart too.
All right. Yeah. You'll get it when you watch it. Bye, we love you.
We love you. Give Raya and Sophia a kiss and a hug and tell them we're on our way.
Yankees.
Over and out.